60% cotton/40% poly. Imported. Easy decorating Dream Factory bedding can help you quickly style a fashionably fun prehistoric dinosaur-themed kids' bedroom. 5-piece set includes one comforter, 66 by 86 inches, one flat sheet, 66 by 96 inches, one fitted sheet, 39 by 76 plus 10 pocket, one pillowcase, 20 by 30 inches, one Sham, 20 by 26 inches. Versatile prints. Our bed in a bag makes decorating easy. With one-stop shopping, all pieces are color-coordinated and are designed to conveniently complement each other. Durable and soft comforter and Sham face and reverse, 60% cotton 40% polyester, comforter fill, 100% polyester, sheet set, 60% cotton 40% polyester, 180 thread count. Easy care machine washable cotton polyester fabric. Top reviews from the United States. These are exactly as described. I bought 2 of these comforter sets for my toddler boys. They each have twin-size floating beds and the comforter fits their decor perfectly and is fitting for my boys. They are comfortable and love the colorful dinosaurs.